She agrees. Because sometimes she agrees. She agrees.
सूरत छत्रपति
Today, entire cabinet I am very happy to announce that Ramnagar district was a part of district. Ramnagar district was a part of Bangalore district. The headquarters will stay remain in Ramnagar, but the district will be called as Bangalore South District for all administration purpose. Because it is just 40, starts from 30 kilometers to 100 kilometers, 80 kilometers. It will be called as Bangalore South District.
Sir, after your statement in the morning, sir, the controversy has sparked, sir. You confirm saying that
admission of guilt of money given to the
See, it is not a controversy. Why I should be controversy? I just checked with Mr. Dr. Parmeshwar. Parmeshwar said that he has given, there was some marriages. He had given at the time of marriages. That is what I know. Yesterday you people asked me. I said I will speak to him and confirm. This is what Mr. Parmeshwar has said. Why there should be a controversy?
because, sir, Rania Rao is then accused in the
I
horse
don't know.
smuggling
No,
case.
that she may be accused. She may be accused in that. It is a crores of rupees scandal. We don't want to interfere with the scandal, or we don't want to support anyone. Or Mr. Parmeshwar also, any point of time, he is not supporting on that. She is a was an officer who was working with him. I think on the occasion of the marriage, he might have helped her in the form of giving a gift or something. That is what I have been asked. Because being a party president, I have to ask him, what is this? Because this name is coming out, your name has been tagged, your institution has been. So there is nothing. No education institutions will give money for such type of activities. Money might have been gone from the trust. We also do charitable trust. We also give donations to various people. I think like that he has given, I feel.
BJP is saying such admission of guilt, sir.
Oh,
BJP is
how can it tell that admission of guilt?
because ED press note has said 40 lakhs was given to Rania Rao.
Maybe, yes. He is not denying 40 lakhs was not given. But for what was being given is important. Has he given for this bringing up gold? He has not done. He might have given for his. There was a family marriage which you all know, and I also attended for the family marriage.
Sir, after monsoon, sir, there are increasing potholes across the city, sir.
Yes, we are going to see that. Earlier I had taken a massive, this one on filling up the passport. I am 3-4 major decisions I am taking up in Bangalore on potholes, on clean Bangalore. After this rain stop, we are going to take, we are making a plan on it. Filling up the potholes, making up the roads, all these things we are doing. But I don't want it to start at the time of this rain. It will be very difficult. Let the little rain stop. One stretch will clean Bangalore.
Sir, what is the decision taken with regards to solid waste management?
Solid waste management, the court has squashed the earlier tender. Now it has given us 30, 40 days, 120 days to call for a tender. We are calling for 33 packages.
Sir, what's the amount that's going to be spent, sir?
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.